Good morning, everybody, and this is your Bitcoin review for today. So if you were following me in the Telegram channel, the link is in the description below. You'll see I have bought into Bitcoin, and we'll wait for the next bit of structure for me to add into this. So I did buy in early yesterday morning. It's pretty much straight after the video yesterday morning, after the 4-hour bar closed. So you can see, once this 4-hour bar closed, bought into it. And at the moment, we are sort of testing the top of the trend line. No real trend reversal just yet. You can see moving averages are still basically in a bearish pattern. There's nothing that we need to be excited about there. But if you do look at the hour, we do have a bit of consolidation here for a day and a bit above the moving averages, and we've had 3 crossovers at the moment. So oscillators are not agreeing with that scenario at the moment, but I am of the opinion that this is the early signal that we're looking for, and you should be looking for opportunities now. Obviously we want to see a bit of a pullback and create a higher low, and that would give us another opportunity to buy into at the moment. So stop area at the moment is pretty much below the low of this week over here. So if we do break below, let's just get that exact level here. So if we start getting a 4-hour close below 29,300, that would mitigate this move completely. And just before we end the video, I just want to go to a different view, and this is something which really does work. It's the chimoku. It does work very well with Bitcoin, and at the moment you can see we have a fairly solid crossover of Dickinson and Kijinson. We are above price here with Chiku span. Okay, you can see this dotted line is Chiku span, and then we have a twist here in the cloud. So at the moment, obviously we need to get above the cloud. That's sort of the fourth signal we're looking for, and I would expect us to sort of either go sideways here, then drop ever so slightly to test the break of the cloud before moving up. But that is a little bit of an earlier signal than what we see on the moving average strategy. If we look at the daily, still no real opportunity yet, and the size of the cloud dictates how much resistance is to the left. So, and that's basically because of all this chaos here. But a couple of days could be through that, or we could find the top of it and reverse the downside. So obviously we want to see a crossover of those elements there. So at the moment, the 4-hour is giving us early signals, and that is what we are playing. There's a bit of a low resistance here on the 4-hour chart. So that's it for me. Looking for another opportunity to buy into it, but we'll have to wait and see whether that transpires or whether we are just sort of forming a wider channel. And there's the channel there. Okay, so that's kind of top of channel at the moment. Could argue that we are breaking through it, but we'll have to wait and see whether that materializes or not. But that's me. I am sitting and I'm waiting for the next opportunity to buy into this. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.